Hi students, today we are going to learn increase and decrease in population using percentage. This topic is very important for understanding real life problems. So let's start step by step. Our first question is decrease of 5% per year from 50,000. So let's solve this question. So first of all, the initial population is 50,000. Initial population is 50,000. Initial population is 50,000 and decrease rate is 5% per year. Decrease rate, we have decrease rate is equal to 5%. So the formula for the question is new population, new population is equal to original population, original multiplied by 1 minus rate over 100. So now we put the values in this formula. So original population we have 50,000 multiplied by 1 minus rate we have 5 over 100 over 100. So now we divide 5 on 100. If we divide 5 on 100 and subtract it from 1, we will get 0.9. So if we multiply 50,000 by 0.95, we will get 47,500. So population after 1 year is 47,500. For sake of practice, we take another question, increase of 20% over 2 years. So the formula for this one is final population is equal to population multiplied by 1 plus R over 100. So rate is 20% and number of years we have 2. So R is equal to 20% and N is equal to 2 we have. So we put in this formula. So we have P times 1 plus 20 over 100 power 2. After this, we simplified 20 divided by 100. Then we add it with 1. So it is 1.2 square. Then, so it is equal to 1.2 square is equal to 1.44 p. So this is our final population. Final population. So this is our answer. If you understand this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.